HZA Premium Dentures, available at hzaofficial.com, claim to offer a comfortable, realistic, and affordable solution for anyone needing dentures. Priced at just $18.90, the offer seems too good to be true, and many potential buyers are left wondering, is HZA a legit brand or a possible scam? Let's dive into the facts. What are HZA Premium Dentures? According to the official website, these dentures are the result of research by 5 dental experts who allegedly graduated from Columbia University College of Dental Medicine. The product is advertised as being developed with 3D printed prosthetics and advanced resin materials, promising natural looks, all-day comfort, and a secure fit for daily wear, whether you're eating, talking, or smiling. These dentures aim to offer a modern alternative to costly dental procedures and traditional prosthetics. While the technology sounds impressive, there's a catch: the price point. Why the skepticism? $18.90 for premium, medically. Developed dentures is surprisingly low, especially when professional dentures typically cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. While innovation can sometimes drive prices down, this extreme discount raises eyebrows among consumers. Many users online have voiced concerns about product quality, delayed shipping, and lack of clear contact information on the HZA website. The absence of verified customer reviews on third-party platforms like Trustpilot adds to the uncertainty. Red flags to watch out for: no verified business address or customer support phone number. Too good to be true pricing. Limited online reviews. And social media presence. No return or satisfaction guarantee clearly stated. These are all warning signs to be cautious about. Final verdict: legit or scam? While HZA Premium Dentures may use impressive language and claim to be backed by dental experts, the lack of verified third-party feedback and the incredibly low price suggest this could be a potential scam. If you're looking for affordable dental solutions, it's best to consult with a licensed dentist or purchase from established, trustworthy brands. Always research before buying, and when in doubt, stay safe and steer clear.